I felt very good. And then he suggested me to go for even not only with them, and you can go for 2 3 more centers. I mean, 3 locations. One location there shall be 5 villages, 5 location, 5 centers, and
Mhm.
similarly 3 location, altogether 15 places, and one coordinator will be there for each center, and then 5 animators for each of the places. Altogether 18 stops will be there. Apart from that, each center there shall be 30 people will be enrolled for the education. So like that it will be 450 people. It's a good program.
What are you going
And
to do?
yes, sir. It's
What?
it's adult literacy, sir. It's a prod shiksha. In Hindi we call it prod
Yeah,
shiksha.
yeah, correct, correct.
Mudiyor kalvile almari.
Age,
So that
age
kind of.
group, age group in that level.
Yes, sir. Yeah. And I was so impressed when we saw the first slide. You were showing some of the where the things are possible. And then this was one of the things it was in my mind. And this morning only I got the letter from the approval letter.
Good, very
And
nice.
all, yes, sir, all the staffs will be undergoing training very soon in the month of February. Yeah, they will do that.
Nice.
Thank you for all of your help and idea. Things. Yeah.
Good, very nice. Good.
Sir, last week very badly I missed the meeting because I didn't see the link on the. I was checking a personal number, but I didn't go to the group. And later only I found it was posted in the group, and I felt extremely sad that I couldn't be part of that seminar.
No, I generally
But
put it in the group. Yeah, I put it
yeah,
in the group, and sometimes I put it in the personal window also.
yeah.
Nowadays, I'm putting it in the group 2 3 times. I put it
you
morning.
can't believe you can't believe since yesterday I've been keep on watching when when the link will be posted. I didn't want to miss your session. That's the idea.
Nice, nice.
Yes, sir. Thank you. And you had given us some target for us, but I believe that I have crossed more than the target what you have given. So I'm totally eligible to go for 1 year mentorship program then. Yeah.
Yeah. Good.
Yes, sir.
Teresa, just call Arup and find out what's happened. He's not there still. No.
Just
Uh,
It's fun. Amazing, amazing work last week. I think you've done wonderful job. I'm very, very delighted with the process that you are following. Very, very nice and very meticulously you're going step by step. Even if it
thank
is
you, sir. Thank you.
even if it is taking time. Okay, sometimes you when it is taking time, people get frustrated and they jump to something and then do some mistakes. But you have been very, very patiently moving step by step, and all wonderful job that you have done. Wonderful job. That logo is excellent. So you are happy with your progress. So Irfan is frozen. So I think he has got some internet issue. What happened, Teresa? Unmute, unmute.
Aroop's phone is coming switched off.
Oh, so he's having seriously some internet issue. Some internet issue he must be having.
Sure.
Yeah. Okay. So Anil, how are things? I think you seem to be somewhere outside. You're driving or something.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. I'm in a car actually, coming back to home.
Coming back to home. Okay. So how much time it will take?
It will take another half an hour, sir.
Another half an hour it will take, huh? Okay.
Yeah.
But you are in a You are in the city only, or you are outskirts?
I'm in the city only, but it is little long.
Hmm. Somebody else is driving, right?
Yeah, somebody else is driving.
Okay, fine. So how is your progress? How is it going?
We are working on the website and the Facebook, all the
No, lost. You are lost. Can't hear you. Can't hear you, Anil.
Sir, Arup sir has come online.
Yes.
Can you hear me?
Yeah, now I can hear you. Yes.
Yeah.
Hmm.
We made some deal with the Tolya ATG people.
Hmm.
So hope tomorrow it will work out.
Acha? Okay. So how much have we agreed to pay?
1 lakh, sir.
My God. Hmm.
Yeah, they are very much irritated, and they are thinking that they are doing it for very less price. Yeah.
You must do a sting operation and put these people behind bars.
So now I'm getting scared to go
Yeah.
to the office.
But the problem is the people those who do sting operation and the people those who are working in the anti-corruption bureau are their friends actually.
Hmm.
Same cadre people, so they help each other.
Okay.
So corruption is even in the, it is available, it is there even in anti-corruption bureau.
It's okay, no problem. Anyway, better late than never.
Yeah, however it may be, I have been running after their office since 3 years.
But
At least now it is
so
coming to.
when are they giving?
Maybe in a week they may give. Tomorrow is the final payment I am going to make.
Okay. Then tomorrow itself you start, you apply to Fuel a Dream.
Yeah.
Okay.
I spoke with that DRS school principal also. So he said, okay, we can help. Let us talk about it like that. He was showing some concern because they did one program last year with one of my friends' orphanage, and that program stood as a winner of the social activities in the world social activities. They have some award. So they won. They did some educational program for orphan kids in the orphanage. So that program they got award in the for that.
Okay, but Anil, you need to ask for at least minimum of 15 lakhs.
Yeah.
Okay, and for that make a call and don't talk to the principal and give them complete details about what you are going to do. See,
yes.
Yeah, you just have to connect the principal to Abiro. That's all.
Yeah.
Don't do anything else. Don't give
too
much of details and all. You say, sir, I don't know what they are going to talk.
Okay.
They ask you, what is it they're going to talk about? You say, no, I don't know. Say something they were talking about, students getting benefited about getting into higher studies, abroad. Some advantage that they are going to have. Now. But I'm not fully clear. But please, talk to them. He will say. So this is what you need to tell.
Okay.
You should be ignorant of what is going to happen. Okay. Let them talk. They will convince them. They will convince them.
Okay, sir.
Okay.
I'll do that.
So today I am going to invite Arup Sengupta to share his experience with BNI. I invited him to BNI meeting today. So Arup attended this meeting and just see what he has to say. Arup.
Good evening. Good evening to everyone. Apologies for 4 minutes late. because getting connections, Sundarban is quite a joke. But that's not an excuse. I have to be online. Today was an eye opener actually, because many international forums, webinars. I am an international trainer, but I did not see such professionalism as I saw today. In fact, I had written it there also in the evening. Seminars take place. Like right now, there are about 8-9 of us. Sridhar is conducting a meeting and we're all learning. There they were breaking us into groups and we didn't know who I was breaking off with. While I'm talking, suddenly they're saying, okay, now we'll break off. As if, I remember when I, as a trainer, and Teresa, you will also understand, you've been a trainer. We used to say 6-7 guys, you go there, 6-7 guys, you go there, manually. And there has to be utter noise, clutter, and nonsense. Today, within seconds, talking in the main room, they are putting me elsewhere. And each one has got 30 seconds to make a point. Now, each one of us, thankfully, were technically competent of use of computers. There was no one who showed ignorance of not knowing it. They are traders as businessmen. There was Mr. Sridhar, corporate businessman. So rich, poor, or anything, they had to be computer savvy, right? The other thing was there were so many activities happening one after the other that 3.5 hours, and I felt very sad when I was told very abruptly, Mr. Sangupta, you may leave. I'm spending 3 hours, getting to know everything, and then this lady, and she's the president, and she had the, the admin with her, and she said, "Okay, fine, thank you, you leave." But it didn't end there. And suddenly I got a call from Kolkata. The Kolkata chapter, Rumjim rings me up and says, "Sir, that this," and I spent an hour with her, okay, trying to understand what it is. Now, where I'm coming from is the discipline that was displayed there, the time management that was displayed there, and everyone has to help someone else. There are thank you, Teresa, this is something which I admire in you. You have this Tuesday, giving day.
Yes.
There, the entire forum is all about giving. It's not about taking. That will come. That will come. Like today, Sridhar was that he had the most, visitors, and he was congratulated. Now that is something else. But there were lots of thank yous happening, and that's something I want to bring into this group also. That when we do something good, like today, I've been telling people I've got money, I've got money. Teresa and Ankush are the only two that said thank you. And the others did not. It's not a complaint. About helping each other. If I'm doing so well today, it is because of Guruji. Like he has set the trend. I am reaping the rewards. In the village, I sit and I see people harvesting.
Arup, some people are new today, so they don't know who is your Guruji. Okay.
So Sridhar is my guru. He's
so if you say Guruji,
25 years.
Yeah.
So he's 24. He's 25 years younger than me, but I call him Guruji because I'll tell you why. For people that are new, before August, I was struggling. I was putting in my own money and I was doing a lot of work which I should not be doing. In fact, today when I saw Susan doing some work, these work will not give donations. These are, the feel-good factors. I go under the subway, I feed 2-3 people, I go somewhere else and somewhere else. I was doing all of that. And then I met this magic man called Mr. V. Sridhar. And he told me on day one, he didn't tell me directly, but he told a lot of us that you are doing stupid work. So either you listen to me or you can take a walk. I mean, polite man that he is, he did not say that, but he meant every word of it. That either you do it my way, you take the highway. Meeting in the first 20, 30 minutes, I came to understand this man is a SME, subject matter expert. I came to understand that. And I gave them very detailed attention to Sridhar. And today, in 5 days, I've got 3.85 lakhs. And what am I doing? I'm doing nothing. All I'm doing is sitting in the field. They are digging the hole. They are doing everything. And I'm just, acting funny. If you actually see me, the man who's driving the tractor or the crane, they don't like me because I am, always clicking their photos and they're not liking it because it's hampering their work. But for my new friends and my old friends, I think we need to reach out much more to each other. We are not doing it. We are not doing it. Like just now, I heard Anil paying 1 lakh. Not needed, because there is a rule in income tax that, Teresa, you just go and apply. You tell them that here is my form, you take it. They have to take it. They cannot reject you. After that, to everyone, you will say that, sir, I will give you the receipt after I get it. I have applied, and this is my proof that I have applied. Let it come after 2 years. Now, what will happen is, let's say, Teresa, I take, I give you funds. With your that, thappa, I will tell my IT department that I have submitted and this is their proof. So there'll be internal pressure created amongst them that why aren't you all giving it? You get my point? Because once they accept it, and that's what I had done. And remember, Sridhar, I was telling you, sir, I didn't pay anything because I went online and then they refused. I said, you give me a stamp. And then for 2 years, I only got it on 18th of July 2018. So coming back to today's meeting, my takeaway has been the professionalism, the honesty of each one, acknowledging that the other person helped, the other person gave a reference. All of this is in black and white. And I think somewhere, we are now about 15, 20 people. We are like family. We know each other. I think much more recording of what we do has to go on. Much more, much more. We are not there. We suddenly come online. But what I learned today, while, Teresa, this was something fantastic. While I'm talking, my name is flashing. When I'm going to another room, Arup is in that room, has already been told to a member. So there's so much of coordination. And within that 5-10 seconds, and that is something, there was no glitch. Sure, 1 or 2 went offline, 1 or 2 went, because network is bad. And that's something, Sridhar sir, I learned today, and a huge takeaway. 2, I think all of us should pay those fees and join up, because they are all the biggies of the industry. All the biggies of the industry, and they can recommend CSR. Like once the meeting was over, we had to.
Today you could see that one person was recommending the one CSR reference to an NGO there.
No, there's this lady, I think Anita Patel or something. She came back to me in the evening and she gave me references, right? And now I need to thank the committee that this lady has come and helped me. So what I'm trying to say is they're all not just rich people, they're not selfish. They're very professional, and they are here to help. This entire forum is all about giving, not taking. And that's my biggest takeaway. So I'm now joining the Calcutta Forum. There is a fee which needs to be paid. I think we'll have to beg, borrow, steal.
No.
Okay, so you'll tell the correct thing. Yeah.
No. You don't have to pay anything. For you, it's free.
Okay. No, but when I become a member, after I go through due diligence.
No, after you become a
Oh,
member.
okay, fine. So anyway, I would recommend each one of you, and especially friends who are in the corporate world, to talk to Sridhar sir offline. I'm sure he's going to give much more. And let's take the benefit and learn to give rather than take. Till 1 in the night, I'm posting every day something or the other here. And we are not sharing much, and at times I do get annoyed. And Sridhar sir cools me down. He said, Thanda ho, Thanda ho. But thank you so much. It was a pleasure. And I feel very proud to be in the forum. And Trisa and all the others, God bless each one of you. Let's give it all so that we make every 10, 15 of us earn like I'm earning today. I'm doing nothing good. It's just that I'm listening to Guruji.
So BNI is a forum where, now they have come out with a policy that they will take one NGO per chapter free of cost. If a businessman has to join BNI, he has to pay 35,000 rupees. Okay, but for an NGO, only recently, just about 3-4 weeks ago, they came out with this policy, and it is free. So that is why I recommended you to come and see this. And now in Calcutta, you will be joining that group absolutely free of cost. Okay, you don't have to pay a pie. In return, actually, you will be helped by those people with lot of reference, lot of funds. Okay, that is how it is going to be, and this is applicable to all the cities, all the city chapters. Okay.
Metros, in the 5 metros.
Yeah. So I'll be introducing each one of you separately. In in Chennai, I will introduce you to separate one BNI chapter there. In Hyderabad, I will do that. In Pune, I will do that. In Mumbai, I'll do that. In all the locations wherever you guys are there, right? Don't worry, I'll connect you. Wait for the right time. At the right time, I will tell you. Don't be in a hurry. Don't go and jump. Don't go and ask. Right? You will get into some wrong chapters and all that. I don't want you, but every single chapter is very good. BNI, I can't say wrong or right chapters, but I want to put you in a place where good crowd is there. The place where I am today in BNI Bangalore, it's an amazing platform. Right from what kind of dressing sense they have, and how they present precisely 30 seconds. Right? 30 seconds you have to present.
7 o'clock in the morning, everyone was shaved. Everyone was shaved. There was no dirt on the thing. The ladies had lipstick immaculately dressed up. Immaculate.
Absolutely fine. Yeah, correct.
7 o'clock in the morning.
And everybody, either a coat or a blazer or formal shirts.
So there were a lot of people with tie on.
Including me.
Yeah, because I had my this thing, colors.
Notun T-shirt. Yes.
Yeah, Notun Jibon with the badge. So that was okay.
Yeah.
But yes, I learned a lot.
So
I learned a lot.
If we are able to bring at least 20% of that professionalism in our community, we can be at least 2 to 3 times better than what we are today. At least 2 to 3 times better. And if you are able to scale up our professionalism to 100% of what they are, it could be multiple folds. So with this forum, with this kind of small group that we are having, we are able to see very good results. So I'm sure that when we bring in all that culture here, I'm trying to bring in fact, I introduced few things. If you go back and see, I introduced the penalty class and all those things, okay, which didn't work much. But nevertheless, I think one of these days, when all of you start experiencing this, I'm sure you'll all come back and tell me that, yes, let us introduce all these things. Okay. So great. That's why, I wanted Arup to come and be a part of it today, and glad that he was able to get connected, though he was in Sundarban, and they're all very happy with him. Everybody were very, very happy with him. Even after he left, they were thanking me to have brought him to the group. They said that, oh my God, what a person you have, he said. They said that, oh my God, how did you find him? I said, no, I found him in social media. I have not, no, how did you find him? I said, I mean, he found me. I said, I didn't find him. I didn't find him. He found me. He found me. So they were all very happy with him. And, I'm sure that Arup, wherever he goes, he'll be able to create an impact. Very quickly, he became the limelight of the entire group of 65 people. So in each and everybody's lips, his name was there after he left. That is the stamp that you should leave in any kind of opportunity that you get. If you get an opportunity, you should encash on that. You should immediately be there. He was there. In fact, I told him to come at 7:30. He came at 7:15. Okay. And because he came at 7:15, he had very good ample time to speak and to open up and all that. And it was very nice. Good. Okay. So this is what, we need to bring into this system also. Slowly we will bring in. Okay. Let's not be too rigid as of now. But slowly and steadily, some new people, when they start coming, joining and all that. Now I'm very, very excited and very, very happy to invite my childhood friend. Okay. My childhood friend, and he is my chaddi dost, I would say. We were together in a place called Shimoga. He is Tulsi Ram. Okay. He is my very, very good friend. And we both are such a good buddy, I'll tell you. Almost 35, 40 years we have been together. Okay. That's the kind of relationship that we have managed, we have maintained. And he suddenly found me in social media today. And after seeing that interview of Rashi Foundation, the next minute he messaged me. After that, we had a telephone call. The next 5 minutes, he's there into the system. He's there in the group. So I want you to introduce yourself, Tulsi, to the good group here we are having here. So please unmute yourself and say a few words about yourself, what you have been doing, what kind of social activity you have done, right? I know that you have done a phenomenal job as a bank manager and all that. You've done excellent. So just share whatever you can, whatever you have done to this wonderful gathering.
Thank you, Sridhar. Good evening to all, especially Arup Saab. Aapka bada, because whatever I heard and whatever I have seen in the WhatsApp group, really you are inspirationing me. Really great thing to know. And of course, I don't want to say much about Sridhar. He has already overwhelmed about my introduction and all. Basically, I was a banker. Now I got retired during June. Okay, so I headed as a senior manager in Lakshmi Vilas Bank. Now it is called as a DBS Bank. The DBS Bank has taken. And of course, where I'm seeing all the group people, I think we have almost all places we have the branches and all that. So I am very happy. As soon as I become a member of this group, I got videos from the Sivaliputtur, Anand Kumar, I think. Yeah, he has already shared, and I'm very proud that he's a customer of our bank. Sir, vanakkam, romba nandri. Fantastic. I have seen superb this thing. And of course, during my profession, we have done as an officer association, I was a general secretary. So that is why I have taken my colleagues to do some social activities and all that. So that is what I have done. But Sridhar is exaggerating my activities and all that. Nothing. In front of you all, I think I have not done nothing. So I am a learner now. I wanted to do something. I was really inspired. I don't know how to explain about, you are all calling Guruji, Sridhar and all. I don't know how to call him and all. Yeah, it's proud for me also to call him as a Guruji. Yeah, nothing wrong in that.
We call each other Vada Poda.
Yeah.
He will call me Vada, I will call him Vada Poda.
And amazing family friends we were. Actually, we missed one more guy actually. Another guy was there with us. Today we are very sorry that I heard that he is not more. Anyhow, so these, but as a human being, of course, from the childhood, I have the inclination of that whatever we are living, we should do to the society. At least we have to do something and all. I think I'm far behind compared to you all. I think I don't know where actually. So I have to run fast and I have to do all this. So nothing much. So I'm just a learner. Please guide me, and I'm very much interested to do certain activities with all your experience. Will be help me for to do all these things. Thank you. I don't want to take much of your time. Thank you, Sridhar. Thanks for giving me the opportunity.
Yeah, Tulsi, but just tell me, where do you want to start? How do you want to start? You want to start from the scratch, or you want to from the scratch, right from formation of a trust deed, then registration of the trust deed, then getting into ATG and 12A, all that, right?
Yeah.
Okay.
Actually, the idea is we are some of the colleagues, those who have got retired and all. They are keen to, support me. They said, why we can do something which you are doing when you are in a profession and all. So not only my colleagues, even some of the friends, college friends also, I found some college friends are also interested. So I thought then, okay, let me do something. So I, as you said, I am from the scratch only. So you have to guide me from the beginning.
Okay. The first activity that you will be doing is going to be blanket distribution.
Okay.
Or ration kits. One of these two things. Okay.
Okay.
For this, now I will entrust the responsibility to Arupda.
Oh, great.
Okay. Now, Arupji, what he will do is, he will make sure that, I don't know, Arup, what you will do, what magic you will do with Shetty. Okay. He will speak to Donate Cart, and you have to take personal interest, Arup, to ensure that he gets the first kit, whatever number, whether it is 50, 100, 25, whatever it is. Okay, he should get. And this will be in kind. Okay. No money to be paid for this. It will come to your doorstep. The materials will come to your doorstep. Okay. All that you need to do is take care of the implementation part of it.
Okay.
Ensure that it is properly distributed. How it has to be distributed also, I will tell you. Right?
Okay.
You follow that methodology as to how it has to be distributed, what kind of documentation you have to do. You have to take videos, you have to take pictures, and if it is a blanket distribution, you should do it in the night. Okay. When people are sleeping on the footpath and all those things, you should go and search of them and then start, putting the blanket on their, when they're sleeping. If it is ration kit, you should go to a slum and start giving rice there, rice and other items which are coming to, whatever it is, Arup will ensure that you will get something, because he has got a very good voice with Donate Cart, because he has made Donate Cart very famous.
Fantastic.
Yeah, he's the one who made them bigger by promoting them very well. And of course, they found him. They found him in a group and they approached him. But once they approached him, he encashed on it. After that, he started promoting them very, very, very nicely. And that's the beauty of Arupda. He never takes credit for himself. Whatever work that he is doing, he doesn't take it for himself. He says that it is happening because of Guruji, or it is happening because of Donate Cart, or it is happening because of his senior friends. Okay, like that only he will start giving credit to others. But he is doing a phenomenal, fantastic job, which we all know. Everybody knows here, and everybody knows what kind of man he is. So he will definitely help you in getting this. So I have committed to Tulsi now. So it is your duty now to get it.
Yeah, 1 minute, Tulsi. In Shimoga bus stand.
No, he's not in Shimoga. He's not in Shimoga.
Where are you?
He is in Bangalore.
Bangalore.
Okay, fine. So Bangalore, if you go into MG Road and Brigade late in the night,
no problem.
You will find them sleeping on the road. That's the best place to give blankets. That's the best place to give blankets, right? Or if you are giving rations, we will tell you the slums. And see, because I've stayed in Bangalore for 7 years. I have a property there also. So we'll work that out, sir. And
he's a Bangalorean bus. He's a Pakka Bangalore. Yeah. Shimoga, I said Shimoga because when I was in Shimoga in the year 87, 88, that is the time we became friends.
No, Shimoga I know very well because the current CM's daughter, Uma, they are from Shimoga. and
Yeah.
they have a call center there. So when I was in Airtel, the CM, myself, and Uma, we used to have lots of parties in Shimoga. That's why I
Oh,
know that place.
okay.
But I'll help you out. I'll
Sure.
definitely help you out. And I'll talk to you offline. I have your number.
Okay.
Right.
Sure.
Thank you, Tulsi. I think you're going to have some good time in this group.
Yeah, yeah.
Yeah. Next in the list, I would like to invite Teresa Michael. Now she's also rocking. She's got CSR funding happening, and everything is happening to her. Her life is now changing. It's all going towards the good. So great, Teresa. How is that? All of a sudden it happened.
Please unmute.
Unmute. Yeah.
Firstly, when they send the mail to me, I should have sent you the snapshot. They said your funds for Samarthan Trust have been accepted. And that was the time I actually knelt down. I said, God, please don't give me this kind of news. No hungry child was not there. So I was literally rubbing my eyes to see, what went wrong. It took me time to think of what to reply to her. Did she send me the wrong mail? Or, we have been rejected. No, then I sent the snapshot to her. I'll send that snapshot to you also. I sent it to her. I said, respected ma'am, I think by mistake you have entered the wrong trust name. And within seconds, the next mail comes and it says no hungry child. So 10 times I was again rubbing my eyes to see.
How much was sanctioned for Samarthan Trust?
Same amount. So what they did collectively is the X number of NGOs that they looked at. I thought maybe we were getting the lowest because
everybody were getting the same.
Yeah, everybody got the same because they were practicing a thing called social justice. So as a part of social justice, they wanted to show that, India is being treated equally in all forums. So if it was a very large NGO, they also gave 1.5 lakhs. So they achieved their personal target. But now that we are in the pipeline, I soon see them approaching us year after year, year after year, year after year.
Good, very nice.
That's one.
Now we need to execute the program very well. So when is the fund likely to come?
So you should be telling me now because we've done everything.
I should be telling you how will I know that when they will release the fund?
It will come in your messages.
Yeah, when it hits my account, I'll tell you. Okay.
Yes.
Yeah, but when are you expecting?
They said it should be dispersed anytime.
Anytime.
That was the mail. Yeah.
Good. You're given the account number and all those things.
Yeah, whatever
details. Yeah. Check, everything was given. So no issues. Yeah. Very nice. All the very best. And you also did a very good job of sharing the sweaters with Devendra Aneja, right? You gave it to him, right?
No, I gave it to
yeah. They're part of the same team.
He was by chance in Pune. By chance he was in Pune, so I could give it to him.
Right. Nice, Teresa. God bless. And now
Sir, I sent 10 for your Chaddi Buddy friend.
You wanted to say something? Chaddi Buddy friend, what do you want to send? What do you want to tell him?
I gave 10 sweaters for your friend.
Oh, you want to give 10 sweaters to Chaddi Buddy friend?
Wow.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Okay. You please courier it to him.
Sure.
Yeah.
Okay, courier it to him. Share, see her number and all is there in the group. Take it number and you courier it to him. Okay.
Sure, sir.
Okay. So you are going to call him Chaddi Buddy friend.
So I could not understand the name, sir. It was very long.
No, that looks nice. Sensitivity friend. Yeah.
How can you forget the wonderful name called Tulasi?
So you started with anybody, that was not mine.
Tulasi is such a excellent plant. You know that, no?
Yes, sir.
It brings all positive energy into the house, right? When you are keeping it in there. So now Tulsi has come to this group. Now it's going to be only full of positive energy.
Come on here. No, energy will get it. Tulsi will get the energy from the group.
Okay. Now in the list, I would like to invite Susan and Beulah. What an amazing job you've done. Very good job you've done. Unmute yourself and speak.
I've already unmuted.
No, but we are not able to hear you. Yeah, now only we said, no, not at all. Again, you muted yourself. அங்க ஒரு மைக்ரோஃபோன் இருக்கு, அதை கொஞ்சம் அப்படி ஆன் பண்ணா அது ஆன் ஆயிடும்.
Okay.
அவ்வளவுதான்.
Now can you hear, sir?
Yeah, yes. No,
Thank you so much, sir.
Yeah.
Thank you, sir.
என்ன இது டி-ஷர்ட் எல்லாம் போட்டு கலக்குறீங்க போட்டு?
நீங்க கொடுத்த ஐடியா தான், sir.
Good, very nice. And how many people you could supply? You could give food.
Food.
Today we gave 25 members, sir.
Wow.
25, is it?
Yes, sir.
Okay. And which location, which area?
It is in near Perambur railway station subway and Perambur Logu subway, sir.
Okay. And the public was there?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
And
So
they
what-
gave to the counseling also, sir.
What was the public response?
Actually, they are saying like, where are you from and which location?
They sat me down also.
Is it?
They sat me down and we were all
discussing with them. And they are asking, when will you come for the next visit? And why don't you come in the Saturday?
Sunday time.
They are giving the time.
Who?
Why don't you?
Who?
Those
The-
people,
The homeless people.
the homeless people.
What about the general public?
General public.
They were
is like
seeing.
They're seeing, sir.
They
What
were
was going on? What is happening here? Like that they were.
Okay. How many of you went there? 2 people or more than that? More than 2?
Three, sir. Three.
3. Okay. And how were you carrying the food?
In the bike, we kept it in the front, sir.
Okay. Was it on a paper or was it on a packet or something like that, or how?
Foil, like silver foil paper, it seems. Sir.
Okay. And what food was it?
Today we distributed a vegetable biryani with raita and with eggs. Sir.
Okay. So it was purchased, or you cooked it and then you took it?
Did, sir.
Cooked.
We have a servant here, sir.
So with that we cook.
Very nice. Good. Sufficient quantity, good quantity you give?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So and they are giving you time, is it?
They were like, when are you going to come? Tell me so that we would wait for you.
Sure. Okay. And then who was clicking the pictures and all that?
The another person, sir.
The third person.
Yeah, his name is John. Samuel John.
So he was clicking the pictures.
Yes.
Okay. So those pictures
I
have
would
come
have
out well.
sent her picture also, but she was putting this one. So
Mask,
she
mask.
said that no, don't send me that. Don't send in the group, she said.
Carrying the mask and all.
No, that should be sent.
Okay.
Okay.
Otherwise Arup will shout.
She only said no, don't send, because first time we are going.
Arup will immediately blast you, saying that how dare you did this job without mask.
No, sir, here very crowdy place and all, we used to go with mask only. So because the people sitting here and they feel afraid to come and we will go closer also.
First
They say, stay there. What do you want? Like that they say.
First time it was like embarrassing, and afterwards they were like very and they were asking about our details and all. if you would if you would take us, we would come with you. They were like saying like that. Even we met some of the women also. I will send the photos in the group, sir.
Put it on
Maintain,
Facebook.
maintain decorum, right? Don't become too friendly with them.
No.
Right? That's not required.
Yes.
You just have to, if you just get into conversation, sitting there, squatting there, and then talking to them and trying to be too much nice and all that, the people that you are dealing with, you should be very careful. So stay away for a longer, don't be there for a longer duration. Okay. Because you are all, women and young girls. Okay. Be very careful about all that. Okay. So
Okay, sir.
maintain decorum, and don't show your kiddishness and all those things in there. Maintain professionalism. You should be very professional. You're wearing a t-shirt and going there. Distance should always be there between you and them, right? Supply good because they deserve that food. But the more you go and start too much, Arubda can do it because he can go and sleep with them. That's not a problem because he's 71 years old, right? This is different. Don't copy him on that angle. Okay, going too much close and all those things. Don't do that. He can do it. He can lift a child and then keep it here. That's okay. You also can do that. Lifting a child is fine, but with men and with old people and all that, don't go sit there and talk and all this. Okay, maintain a distance. Keep this in mind, and but keep doing this good work. It's good work. Keep doing that. Continue that. Weekly once you go, don't go to the same location.
Your voice is breaking, sir.
Your voice is not audible, sir.
Susan, you have to do your posting on Facebook.
Yes, sir. Definitely.
The moment you finish, you should immediately post it and then send us the link.
Yes, sir.
So you do that, and then go to different locations, different places. Don't go to the same place every time, right? And don't become too familiar. And okay. And when you're doing, just see whether the public is there at large. I want the public to see that you're doing this. Okay, the public should be there. If nobody is there, then only those people are there. You are missing actually the limelight of the event. Okay. So therefore, make sure that they are all there when you're going. Okay. Good job done. Continue to do the same thing.
Thank you.
Great. Wonderful. Ankush, where are you?
Yes, sir. Yeah, good evening.
Good evening, Ankush. How was your last week?
Yes, sir. In the last week, as per the discussion with you and Dada, Dada sent me the one draft to send it to the CSR. Almost 95% it is ready now. On tomorrow, I will send it to you and Dada also. And just go through that and suggest me. And then I will send it to the company.
Okay. Any activity you did last week?
In the last week, sir, no activity. Yeah. Because I have, from the college side, I have having the exam duty also, so not possible in the last week.
No, it's okay, no problem. Devendra Aneja.
Sir, good evening, sir.
Good evening, Devendra.
Sir, first of all, I would like to thank to Theresa ma'am. She have provided the 20 sweaters to Mr. Tribun Lika, and he brought the sweaters to Gurugram, and we have done the activity over there. We have distributed the sweaters in Gurgaon and the blankets also.
Okay.
And the blankets also to the slum people. Yes, we bought some blankets over there and distributed to the needy ones. And I happy to inform you that we have appointed a president who is the cousin sister of Mr. Gambhir, who is the former cricketer,
Wow.
and he's the
Gautam
MP in
Gambhir.
Delhi.
Gautam
Yeah,
Gambhir.
Gautam Gambhir.
Oh,
Yes, yes.
okay.
हाँ जी, yes, yes, yes. Now she's our she's the president in Gurgaon chapter of our foundation. And when we have done activity with her, one of her friend seen the activity in the Facebook, and he have given the donation of 20 sweaters and the woolen caps to us yesterday itself.
Super.
And in next week also, we are planning to doing more activities in Gurgaon.
Excellent.
And in
Very
this
nice.
week also, we have done 2 activities in Hisar also, blanket distribution as well as the sweater distribution.
Superb, superb. Very nice. This is Gautam Gambhir's cousin, is it? Cousin or sister?
Yes, yes, yes. Cousin sister.
Cousin. Okay, cousin sister.
Sister.
How did
Yes.
this happen? How did this happen?
She's known to us very long time. We are very good friends. Yes, yes.
Okay.
Then we approach her. She is working in a TDI as a manager, TDI infrastructure in Delhi.
Okay. Okay.
So I was in a Gurgaon and known to her very long time, as I was in a property field.
Okay.
So I was known to her.
Right. So Devji, are you there?
Yes, sir.
Devji,
Yes.
yeah. So I think we missed you last week.
Yes, sir. Good evening. Actually, last week, I think here is a technical problem to connect with this sir.
ठीक है. So अभी क्या progress चल रहा है वहाँ? What is the progress there in your in Orissa?
Progress, actually, we are, sir, doing our normal course of action. Like we are implementing water program and as well as child right campaign program in our area. Currently, we have one donor, that is Childline India Foundation. This organization is supporting for the cause of Childline program in Bhadrak. And for a water program, we are actually doing fundraising and also getting a back support of WaterAid as due to current FCRA policy change. As we have worked as the subsequent partner of WaterAid. Due to current FCRA policy change, we are not now actually the direct partner of WaterAid. But some of our team members has signed the contract with the WaterAid directly, and the WaterAid is sending money to the staffs directly. So we now not have any foreign funding directly. And as far as crowdfunding or individual funding is concerned, we are trying, sir, and posting so many posts in social media, whatever we are working here, and also sharing to groups.
You're sharing it in the group. Okay, I think there is some technical glitch in his place. Devji? Yeah, when it is all right, we'll call him again.
Some and asked about our organization. Our team is over there and make a yes. Actually, I have said. Hello.
Yeah, tell me. Go ahead.
Hello.
Yeah, go ahead.
Yeah.
Go ahead.
Actually,
No. There is a problem. There is an internet problem.
She told me I would. Hello.
We couldn't hear you properly. We lost you somewhere.
Yes, sir. Here is some network problem is going on last 15 days. So we are actually facing many difficulties here.
Okay, but I want to quickly tell you something, right? Just pay attention to what I'm saying, right? Yeah. See, I'm seeing that from whatever you have explained today, You are doing same things which you were doing in the past.
Yes, sir. Actually, yes.
Okay. See, if you are doing the same thing which you are doing in the past, you will get the same result.
Yes.
If you want a different result, and if you want a better result, you have to change.
Yes, sir.
So that for that changing requirement is what we are actually telling you. Follow the group, whatever they are doing. You need to pay attention to some of the newer programs. Now your water program which you are doing it, because there is already a funding coming there, you have to continue doing that. There is no way, no other go. You have to do that. Over and above that, additionally, now you have to take up new responsibility. Only then you will start getting funds.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay, the newer responsibilities you need to take, you need to get involved, get more known to the group. I want you to get friendly with every one of us here. Everybody should know you. Everybody should know your activity. You should start interacting with people. Everyone should, when they know what you're doing, then you will automatically see that, some results will start coming to you.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So start interacting with people.
Yeah.
Okay. Have you discussed with Arup?
Yes. Actually, sir, I have made call to him, but he sent me the message through WhatsApp only, and by that time I have sent a WhatsApp message to him and send the social media link of our organization. And I think Arup ji also recommended our name to Donate Card. I think Donate Card immediately after contacted us.
Good, very nice. So I mean, something happened from Donate Card?
No, nothing is happening because his Facebook is very weak.
Oh, okay.
See, Guruji, you have to tell everyone unless they don't post in Facebook.
Yes.
No matter how big the NGO is, Donate Card will not touch. See, Donate Card, after all, is also trying to promote themselves. When they give us dry rations, they buy from the wholesale. So they also make 30%.
Correct.
You get my point? So when the donors give money, they make 30%.
Correct.
Now, if there are no activities, and that is why a lot of people are getting rejected, in spite of the fact that the city is calling them up. After that, it is dying down because there is no activity. And Donate Card will not give anyone unless there is an activity, because they will send their cameraman. The cameraman will be taking shots of work being done.
Right.
So that's the problem, sir.
Right. Now, you see, in case you need any help in terms of Facebook setting up, ad account being set up and all those things, I can recommend a person who will do it for a nominal cost. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, I can recommend a person who can do that for you. But for not having that Facebook page, for lack of knowledge or lack of skills, you should not give that as an excuse, because you should become very active and your Facebook page should become better. Now, it should become better. It should be posted with a lot of activities. You see the new person, Bishwas ji. Bishwas ji's Facebook page you see now is just about 2 weeks or 3 weeks old. That's all. But in this 3 weeks time, he has flooded his Facebook page with activities, and it's all very good activity. Very good activity.
And he has a problem with English.
He has a problem with
English. In spite of that, in spite of that, his page is very nice.
Very nice. Oh, aisa hona chahiye. So that is how you should do it. And if you are having any problem, you just let me know. I will connect you with one person who will help you in setting up your pages and all that. Okay.
Yes, sir. Please connect this person. Actually, we are doing at our own knowledge. It may not be very visible and attractive to the donors or viewers. I think we are posting at least 2 posts a day. Your suggestion was at least 4 time post, but we are now able to at
2
least
is not
post
bad.
2
2
times.
posts a day is not a bad one. Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay, don't worry.
What kind of posting and what kind of content? Okay, sir.
Even see, yeah, they're like, food supply, hunger problem, or education, or
Yes.
or skill training, or blanket distribution. These are the activities that you should mainly focus on, because that is where the money comes. Funds will come only for such activities. Other activities, water, guitar, and all that, people will not understand. Donors will not understand that. The individual donors will not understand what you're doing in that activity. So for that, government support is okay. Whatever you're getting fund from government, that you do that program. But you want to grow in digital platform, these are the activities that you need to do.
Sir, can I get some suggestion? If we are interested to present our education program, what kind of content we need to actually post in the social media? We are doing right to education program, and we are conducted on a rapid assessment on how many children are dropped out from the
what
school
you are teaching
and all these.
What you are teaching is not being questioned. What you are teaching the students is not being questioned by the donors. The donors should see you teaching. So which means if there are a group of students, children who are there in front of you, and there is a person standing here and then teaching something, that is an activity.
Yeah.
So that activity should be shown.
Yes, sir. Definitely.
Yeah. So you need to do that. Any help you require in the social media, let me know.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Right.
Okay, sir.
Now we will invite Gokul Nanda Oja. How is your internet there? Can you speak, Gokul Nanda? Gokul? So we'll invite him later. Now let me invite Anant Kumar. Anant Kumar, வாங்க சார்.
வணக்கம் சார்.
பிரமாதமா பண்றீங்க சார். என்னாச்சு, முகேஷ் அம்பானி கொடுத்துட்டாரா?
4:30 அந்த மேடம் ஒரு மெயில் அனுப்பியிருந்தாங்க.
என்ன அனுப்பிச்சிருந்தாங்க?
அந்த மெயில்ல வந்து நம்ம அக்கவுண்ட் நம்பர், அட்ரஸ், ஃபுல் அட்ரஸ், ஆதார் கார்டு, பேன் கார்டு எல்லாத்தையும் சென்ட் பண்ண சொல்லியிருந்தாங்க.
சரி,
சென்ட் பண்ணியிருக்கேன். 4:30 அனுப்பியிருந்தாங்க.
ஓகே.
நம்ம அக்கவுண்ட் நம்பர், பேங்க் அக்கவுண்ட் நம்பர், ஆதார் கார்டு, டிஸ்ட்ரிக்ட் எல்லாம் அனுப்பியிருக்கேன் சார்.
சரி, ஆதார் கார்டு எதுக்கு தேவைப்படுறது உங்களுக்கு?
அவங்க அந்த பேங்க் நம்ம பிளேஸை வந்து இது பண்ணுவாங்க நினைக்கிறேன்.
ஓகே, ஆதார் கார்டு எதுக்கு தேவைன்னு தெரியல, புரியல. பட் பேங்க் அக்கவுண்ட்லாம் கூட வேற ஒன்றும் கேட்கலையோ?
வேற ஒன்றும் கேட்கல. இதை மட்டும் வெயிட் பண்ணுங்க.
நாளைக்கு என்ன வருதுன்னு பார்ப்போம். நாளைக்கு என்ன வருதுன்னு பார்ப்போம்.
அப்புறம் அப்புறம் கிவ் இந்தியால இருந்து ஃபண்ட் ரைசிங் சேலஞ்சுன்னு ஒரு மெயில் அனுப்பியிருக்காங்க சார்.
சரி,
கிவ் இந்தியால இருந்து அது வந்து த மோஸ்ட் அவைட்டட் ஆன்லைன் ஃபண்ட் ரைசிங் ஃபெஸ்டிவல் இன் பேங்க் வந்து பிப்ரவரி 1 இருந்து 28 வரைக்கும் நடத்துறாங்களாம்.
சரி,
அதை பத்தி ஒரு மெயில் அனுப்பியிருக்காங்க. இப்ப இன்னைக்கு வந்தது.
ஓ அப்படியா? ஓகே, அதை கொஞ்சம் குரூப்ல போடுங்களேன், என்னன்னு பார்க்கலாம்.
நான் பாக்குறேன் சார்.
அது என்னங்கிறது குரூப்ல கொஞ்சம் போடுங்க, பார்க்கலாம். என்ன இதுன்னு பார்க்கலாம் நம்ம.
சார் அது நாளைக்கு 11 மணிக்கு இருக்குன்னு நினைக்கிறேன் அந்த ஆன்லைன் மீட்டிங். அது
ஆமா, ஜூம் மீட்டிங் வேற 11 மணிக்கு இருக்கு.
ஆமா, நாளைக்கு 11 o'clock அந்த மீட்டிங் இருக்குது
நாளைக்கு.
ஆமா, எனக்கு மெயில் எனக்கு வந்திருக்குது.
உங்களுக்கு வந்ததா?
ஆமா சார், எனக்கு வந்திருக்கு.
ரைட்.
சோ அப்ப கொஞ்சம் பேர் அட்டெண்ட் பண்ணுங்க இத.
சரிங்க சார்.
நீங்க அந்த மெயில் லிங்க் அனுப்பி வைங்க, எல்லாரும் கொஞ்சம் அட்டெண்ட் பண்ணிட்டு பாப்போம். என்னன்னு பாப்போம். Everybody should attend this program, tomorrow's program of Give India, and see what's happening there.
Give India.
Sir, அப்புறம் வேற என்ன சார் நடக்குது?
ஓகே.
வேற என்ன
எப்பயும் போல ஃபுட் கொடுக்கறது. இல்ல டெய்லி அந்த ஃபுட் கொடுக்கறது, நம்ம அந்த போர்வை கொடுக்கறது போய்கிட்டு இருக்கு சார்.
அப்புறம் டொனேஷன்ஸ் எல்லாம் வர ஆரம்பிச்சிச்சு சார். நல்லா வந்துட்டு இருக்கு.
டெய்லரிங் அது போய்
இல்ல டொனேஷன் வருதா?
ஸ்பான்சர் பண்ணிட்டு இருக்காங்க.
வருது.
ஸ்பான்சர்ஸ் பொருளாவே கொடுத்துறாங்க.
கொடுக்கட்டும், அது பரவாயில்ல, அது வருது இல்லையா, வந்துகிட்டு இருக்கு.
இவங்க இது அது போதும்.
நீங்க தொடர்ந்து பண்ணிக்கிட்டே இருங்க,
போடாம அது போதும்.
தொடர்ந்து பண்ணிக்கிட்டே இருங்க, உங்களுக்கு பாட்டுக்கு வரும் அது.
அந்த உஷா இது மட்டும் நீங்க நாளைக்கு எனக்கு அந்த கம்பெனிக்கு
பண்ணலையா அவரு?
இன்னும் பண்ணல
சார், ரொம்ப பிஸி ஆயிட்டாரு
சார். நானும்
ரொம்ப பிஸி ஆயிட்டாரு, சுந்தர்பனுக்கு எல்லாம் போயிட்டு ரொம்ப பிஸி
இல்ல. நானும் கேட்கல சார்ட்ட, நான் கேட்கல. அவர் இல்ல, அவர்கிட்ட கேட்டா உடனே போட்டுருவாரு. நான் தான் கேட்கல.
கேளுங்க அவரை,
அந்த 2-3 நாள் இந்த இது பிஸில இருந்துட்டு.
சரி கேளுங்க அவரை.
சார்ட்ட ஒரு பாயிண்ட் போட்ட உடனே வந்துருது.
உடனே வந்துருது.
கேட்காம
அவர் பண்ணணும்னு சொல்லுங்க. குட், வெரி நைஸ். அப்படியே பண்ணிக்கிட்டு இருங்க, கண்டினியூ பண்ணுங்க அப்படியே.
ரைட் சார்.
ஓகே, தென் we will Bishwas ji.
जी सर, गुड इवनिंग सर।
गुड इवनिंग विश्वास जी, क्या चल रहा है, कैसे चल रहा है?
सर आप जैसा जैसा बता रहे हैं सर, हम बिल्कुल वैसे ही करते हैं सर।
अभी फिलहाल एक्टिविटीज क्या चल रहा है अभी?
यहाँ सर बड़ी ठंडी है, अभी बहुत ज्यादा ठंडी है। कुहासा बहुत ज्यादा है, फिर भी बच्चों से केवल मिल रहे हैं। कोई ये खेल नहीं खिला सकते क्योंकि ठंडी काफी है। बिस्किट वगैरह बीच बीच में देते रहते हैं सर।
ठीक है, तो मतलब ये कब से शुरू होने का चांसेस है? फरवरी होना चाहिए क्या? फरवरी के बाद चलेगा?
मुझे ऐसा लगता है सर कि 27 को खुल जाएगा। 27 को
27 को
जी।
ये मतलब ये जनवरी?
जी।
अच्छा, उसके बाद थोड़ा ठंड कम हो जाएगा?
जी।
अच्छा, ठीक है। तो आपका पोस्टिंग वगैरह वो सब चल रहा है, किसी ने कुछ फंडिंग के बारे में बात, ऐसा कुछ अभी तो मांगा नहीं ना आपने अभी तक? फंड तो मांगा नहीं है ना?
नहीं सर, मैंने नहीं मांगा है। वो एक दूसरे ग्रुप से जुड़े हुए थे। आपसे जुड़ने के बाद उन्होंने एक लिंक तैयार कर दिया कैंपेन का, फंड कैंपेन का।
ओके।
तो उसमें मैंने अपने एक मित्र को कहा कि जरा टेस्ट करके देखो कि ये पैसा कहाँ जाता है। तो 11 रुपया उसने डोनेट किया, उसके बाद कोई डोनेशन वगैरह नहीं है।
अच्छा, वो 11 रुपीज कहाँ गया? वो 11 रुपीज का डोनेशन कहाँ गया?
उसी में है सर, जो उन्होंने लिंक दे रखा है उसी में। मैंने ऐसे ही टेस्ट करने के लिए डाला था सर।
थोड़ा वो लिंक थोड़ा हमें भी भेज देना, हम देख देंगे क्या है। मिलाप है ना? मिलाप है तो मिलाप में रहेगा।
मैं आपको भेजूंगा सर।
हाँ, मिलाप है तो मिलाप में रहेगा वो।
मिलाप है सर।
नो, वो फिक्र करने का जरूरत नहीं है, वो तो सेफ है। सेफ है, वो सेफ है। अभी नहीं आएगा, लेकिन वो बाद में आएगा। जब आप विड्रॉ करेंगे ना अमाउंट वहां से, 1-2 दिन में आ जाएगा। हाँ, वो बेफिक्र रही है, वो सेफ है, कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं है उसमें।
करना है।
हाँ जी,
आगे क्या करना चाहिए सर?
नहीं, अभी फिलहाल तो वही कंटिन्यू करना है आपको। जब वो नॉर्मल एजुकेशन शुरू हो जाता है ना, तब से आप थोड़ा मांग सकते हैं। अभी आपको क्या चाहिए एक्चुअली? चाहिए क्या है आपको?
सर कुछ तो है नहीं सर, शुरू करना है एवरीथिंग। मैंने जो भवन लिया है विद्यालय का, तो किराए का है सर। 20,000 रुपये उसका मासिक किराया है।
नहीं, मैं ये पूछ रहा हूँ कि अगर आपको फंड की जरूरत है तो किस लिए चाहिए आपको? टेक्स्ट बुक खरीदना है या यूनिफॉर्म देना है या क्या, किस लिए आपको फंड चाहिए अभी?
जी सर, बुक्स भी देना है सर, और यूनिफॉर्म भी देना है सर।
ठीक है, लेकिन अभी तो फिलहाल गवर्नमेंट तो मना कर रहे हैं ना, वो सब पढ़ाई सब करना मना है, वो सब ऐसा कुछ इनफॉर्मली करना पड़ेगा आपको। तो उसके लिए अगर यूनिफॉर्म मांगे तो नहीं शायद नहीं मिलेगा। ओके, बुक्स वगैरह मिलने का चांसेस है, बुक्स वगैरह। ओके, बुक्स मांग सकते हो, खाने के लिए मांग सकते हो आप, बुक्स और फूड। ओके, उसके लिए मांग सकते हो। तो आपको कितना चाहिए होगा?
जी
कितना फंड चाहिए? थोड़ा लिस्ट बना दीजिए आप। ओके, कितने बच्चों
सर
को?
ज्यादा तो सर आपके पास है सर, कितना मांगा जाए मुझे कुछ आइडिया नहीं है सर गाइड करेंगे सर, उसी हिसाब से ही अच्छा रहेगा।
नहीं, अभी आप हिसाब किताब करना पड़ेगा आपको। पहले आपको करना क्या है कि कितने बच्चों को आप कितना बुक्स देने वाले हैं, क्या क्या देने वाले हैं, ठीक है, उसका एक लिस्ट बना दीजिए। उसका एक लिस्ट बना दीजिए, ठीक है। अमाउंट कितना चाहिए आपको उसके लिए। ओके, दूसरा, अगर खाना दे रहे तो कितने बच्चों को खाना देने वाले हैं और कितने दिन देने वाले हैं, और उसके लिए कितना पैसा चाहिए, ये रेडी कीजिए।
जी
ये लिस्ट रेडी करके हमें शेयर कर दीजिए, फिर बाद में नेक्स्ट स्टेप मैं बताता हूँ क्या करना है।
जी ठीक सर, मैं कल सुबह बना के देता हूँ।
ठीक है, राइट, ओके। डॉक्टर तंजील फातिमा, Dr. Tanzil Fatima.
Hello, good evening, sir.
Good evening. How are you? How are you doing?
Sir, I'm perfectly fine, sir. I'm doing good, sir.
How is Dr. Yusuf?
Sir, Dr. Yusuf is busy with one COVID patient. He arrived actually late and still he is in hospital. So he's unable to attend today's class.
Yeah, that's okay. He told me very clearly that you will be, substituting him on and off. So could you tell me that what is the progress now about Sanjeevani Cancer Center?
Sir, we are still stuck up in that process of income tax ATG and 12A registration. That's under process. And we are. I have shared a link to you, sir, in WhatsApp. Have you gone through that, sir? Like for our website page, if there is any suggestions, like what changes we can make. And we have not created the Facebook page. Like today, I came to know we have to. No, actually, we have created a Facebook page, but no activity is currently going on. And actually, something is there. Like I was thinking for the logo part also. Like we have to change a logo also. I discussed the same with Meman sir also. And he was saying don't go on this tree part. The rising sun is also good. And now I came to know like you will give some recommendation of a person who will design this FB page in a nominal cost. So I will definitely take the reference with you and will get into touch with that guy person and do that, sir.
Okay, now you need to conduct interviews.
Interviews okay.
Means I'm talking about now, supposing you are discussing with some of the patients who are patients, okay, who can't afford the fees, the hospital fees and all, they can't afford, right?
Yes, sir.
Some of them. So such kind of interviews have to be conducted with their permission.
Okay.
You should seek the permission of the patients. That tell them that look, you are the operation cost will be so much. Do you wish to take donation for your operation?
Okay.
Take that permission, and if they say agree, permission should be in writing.
Okay.
Okay, it should be in writing. So you create a format. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Because hospital, you are going to do the interview in the hospital, right?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Consent. Yeah, so you should be legally protected. Okay. So tomorrow he should not come and question you, and no other people should come and question you as to how did you post my photograph here, how did you do this and all that. They should not ask. Okay. You need to take their permission and tell them that would you like to seek donation from general public for your operation. If they say yes, then ask them to sign. And don't tell them, I cannot guarantee you, right? We will try. If you get some donor giving you money, then we will conduct the operation for you.
Okay, sir.
Okay, and that interview should be videographed, and then it should be natural and raw video, you can start posting in the Facebook.
Okay.
Yeah. And have you joined the groups?
Sir, I'm in the one group only, sir, that NGO batch group, sir.
No, not
That's
enough.
it.
Not enough. You have to join 300 groups.
Okay. In FB, sir?
In FB, there are 300 groups which are there.
Okay, sir.
You ask Dr. Yusuf that Mr. Sridhar was telling me about joining 300 groups. What groups I should join? He knows. I have given him one slide. Okay.
Okay.
You take that slide, go into all those groups and start joining. By next week, when you are coming, right, you should have joined at least about 150 groups.
Okay, sir.
150 groups. If you join, then after that you can start posting these interviews that you are doing. Now, right now, you take the interviews, post it only in your page.
Okay.
Don't post it in the group. Okay. I want to see what kind of interview you are doing, how it is being done, all that I would like to see. Okay. If there are any corrections required, I will guide you. Then till then, you just post it in your FB page and leave it at that. Don't post it anywhere else.
Okay, sir.
Okay. These two things, can you do this week?
Yes, sir. I'll try my level best to do that. Definitely.
Okay. Right. I think with this, if I have not missed out anybody, we can conclude our today's discussion. And is there anyone I have missed out? Gokul I have missed out, I know, but he has got internet issue. Gokul, can you unmute and speak? Can you say hello?
Gokul is there.
He's there, I know, but he is unable to speak. Right. Okay. So then with that, we will conclude today's discussion. So newcomer Tulsi Ram, how did you find this session?
As I said, no, everybody is inspiring me. So there is a lot of responsibility on me. So yeah, I can do something. Wonder.
A lot of learnings today.
Yeah, absolutely. That is what I said. I am in the last line. So I have to run fast to catch you all. Anyhow, when I am having Sen Gupta like father figure, definitely we can do wonders. Thank you, sir. Thank you. Really, you are inspiring me a lot.
Great. Wonderful. Thank you so much. Daniel, anything you want to say?
Yes, sir. I want to say. So thank you so much. Thank you so much, Arabda, for wonderful, for inspirational activities. Sir, I have one or two questions.
Yeah.
We talk about the Facebook. The Facebook, we have a different one. It's a premier one and then a closed group, and it's open to all, anybody can see. So what kind of Facebook is better for our activities? It's a closed group. We have to invite the people. Only the invitees will be there in the Facebook.
No, I'm not saying that you form a group.
Okay.
See, when you form a group, that becomes a closed group.
Okay, yeah.
When you are joining a group could be a private group or could be a public group.
No, our Facebook has to be how it should be
Facebook
close to
page
group?
only. Why you should create a group? I have not asked anyone to create a group for yourself.
Only a page.
It's only a page. Facebook
only a page. Yours is only a page.
Okay.
Yeah, I never said that you should form a group.
Okay. Yeah, that just I have a question in my mind.
No, not at all.
Yeah.
You don't have to form a group.
Okay.
You don't have to form a group. You have to go and join a group.
Yeah, join a group, but you have to make our own Facebook page group. That's all.
Yes, you have to
go to close to group. Okay.
Your page book, your page book should be public. Please don't put private or don't put any security. For a lady should protect their Facebook page. Gents like us, keep it public. Let everyone see it. Because we are not posting anything personal. It's all work. But for Teresa and all that, there are some stupid idiots who will want to, invade your privacy. So protect yourself there. So friends and friends only. But for all the gentlemen, it should be public.
Okay. Sir, I haven't done
That's the request.
this donate card. I have not done it, sir. How to do that? Because I missed the session, the particular session, probably.
See, again, once again,
Yeah.
please go and spend 1 hour inside the donate card site.
Okay.
It is self-explanatory.
Okay.
They will tell you that either you can, like today, Tulsi doesn't have a NGO, so he will go there on his personal name. He will write retired bank manager, and donate card will love him because he is a very responsible position.
Okay.
A bank manager has a very responsible position. So they will welcome that sort of a thing because he's a public figure. Now, if you are having an NGO, it will tell you the steps to take. It's very, very simple. But you must spend 1 hour inside it because what you want from them, you have to tell them now.
Okay.
You have to tell them what you want.
Yeah.
Like I am doing so much of work, as Sridhar said, I'm doing so much of work. While I'm talking to you all, I just got a message from Donate Card. They've sent me 300 school bags filled with books, pencils, rubbers. I didn't even ask for it.
Yeah.
They know that I have a school in Sundarban, and I was telling them that I have 225 students, and every day I'm playing football and all with the students. The school is not even open.
Right.
And today, just now, I got a message that they've sent me 300 school bags, water bottles, tiffin boxes, pencils, rulers, rubbers. That is the advantage of working with Donate Card. They give it free, yeah.
Right.
I didn't even ask.
Right.
Correct.
So spend time on that chapter. Please go into the site. It's a self-learning exercise, and this is for everyone.
Okay.
Yes. Everyone, please see that.
Yeah. One more question, sir. The Facebook has to be in their personal name or the NGO's name, sir?
Both.
Both has to be. Okay.
No, page should be NGO.
NGO name.
Page should
So
be
this,
NGO.
yeah. When we are
The
joining
account should be personal.
Okay. Okay.
Yeah. Okay. That's
Thank you.
Right.
Thank you so much.
So
I'm also
Susan,
inspired to see many leaders here today, and thank you, Mr. Tulsi Ram, joining with us. We are also expecting that we will be able to learn more from you. Thank you. Thank you.
Arup, congratulate Daniel because he got 5 lakhs today.
Yes,
Yeah.
yes.
Letter he got.
No, I congratulated him.
Yeah,
The moment I
you
saw
put
it, I
that.
said,
Thank you.
well done.
Thank you, sir. Thank you.
I said, well done. And
I
that
got the
is just
letter
a
today
start.
only. Yeah, I got
It
the
is
letter.
just a start.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Now you and me will compete with each other.
Oh, thank you.
Now I have to get 10
You know-
lakhs from somewhere.
I was very much particular. The Sridhar sir was telling at least you must raise 3 lakh rupees, otherwise you have to exit yourself from the.
Correct.
I was
Yes.
keep on working. I also missed it two times in 2 weeks. I couldn't attend, and I didn't want to.
So that statement worked, is it?
Yeah. That's really because it was really motivation. That's a motivation.
That's correct.
And,
Yeah, you need to, because if in 3 months' time, if you're not able to raise 3 lakhs,
yeah, that's true.
then what is this?
Yeah. I
What
should
is the
be
point of having so much of sessions and all those things?
I do believe that I would be going beyond that. I do believe that.
Yeah, definitely you will.
Yeah,
You got very good programs, and you got that killer attitude also.
Yeah.
So definitely you will win, and you can do wonders.
Thank you, sir.
Susan Beulah. Susan and Beulah.
Yes, sir.
What was your learning today? கேட்டார்ப்பா கேள்விப்பா என்ன சொல்றதுன்னு தெரியல. ஐயோ, இந்த மனுஷன் இப்படி படுத்துறாரு இவரு.
கொலவெறி
பண்றாரு இவரு. எதுக்கு என்ன போட்டு இப்படி கேக்குறாரு கேள்வி?
Not like that, sir.
What was your learning today?
Even for a newcomer, if we listen and we do the guidance, the step what you've given for these many sessions, see implemented in a right way, and we too hit the right proper things through our NGO also. That's what I learned, even from Arup sir, even from Daniel, all those people. The step, whatever you guided these many sessions, if we want to implement in a right way, we too will get. There is no partiality for this. The people will provide for them, the big people, or they are the small one, not like that. So if we implement in a proper way, we too will receive the result as soon as possible.
So the work is very important. That's what because we didn't do it properly. So we will implement that, we will follow just the group what others are doing. And yes, sir, that's all.
This week, you collect about 10 volunteers.
Okay.
10 volunteers you collect. All the 10 volunteers should wear the t-shirt.
Okay.
Okay, and they should go and along with you one day go and give food.
Okay.
Take the I want the people to see, I want the public to see that you are not only with 2 or 3 people.
Yeah.
Having about 10-15 people, right?
Yeah.
So I think you can mobilize some 10-15 people, right?
Yes, sir.
And you have 10-15 t-shirts also, right?
Yeah, yes, sir.
Yeah, make them wear that and then go start doing this activity. Everybody should be visible. All the 15 people should be visible and doing this activity, right?
So I'm calling for the volunteers only. I was speaking to them. They told that you arrange the date, you fix the date, and we will come and work with you. That's what they told us.
Right, you get it done, and one group photograph you take.
Okay.
Okay.
Okay, sir.
Yeah, right. Okay, then see you everybody. And
1 minute, see that just.
Yes, Tulsi.
Yeah. See actually my experience, the real experience which I had now within half an hour. If you take any initiative to do something, donors will be there. So I had the experience that Sen Gupta has come forward and Teresa Madam has given that they are going to give me an initial stage. So that shows this session has learned me initiative is important.
Yes,
great.
Absolutely
Thank
right.
you so much.
Absolutely right.
Yeah.
Absolutely right. See here itself, within this group itself, you got support coming.
Exactly.
Yes. Outside also will come. You will get. Yes, there's sir.
Sir, we also donated a brick to the school.
Arubda.
Yeah, I just saw it. It just came now.
Oh, is it? Okay.
Yeah, just now.
Good.
That naughty girl has just sent it now.
Very nice. Good.
This naughty girl, I call Teresa a girl, she's a very naughty girl. She's always writing some good things about me. So thank you. God bless. That one brick is actually not one brick. There are many bricks. The cost of one brick is 9 rupees. So you've actually given many bricks. That was just a calculation that Sridhar gave me.
Yeah.
To ask the public to sponsor one brick costing 750. Bricks right now, Altaf is unloading the bricks in the field at 10:30, and there are tigers and all roaming around because we've taken this task very seriously, sir. I've shifted to Sundarban also. So it's in 3 days, all of you saw what has happened. So Teresa, you've not given one brick, you've given your life to me. God bless you and live long.
So what I wanted to say is even that we show on Facebook, it begins the parampara of the other people to mention that, I am also giving 2 bricks or I'm giving 3 bricks.
Correct. Absolutely.
So wherever we feel.
In fact, yesterday's is live asking, okay, has given him today, between yesterday and today, 3.35 lakhs.
Yeah. And just one brick in the plate.
He held one brick. Okay, he held one brick and then made an announcement saying that, look, I need this brick. So many bricks I want. And this is the cost.
The plate is now empty and you all have to fill it up.
2 days, 3.35 lakhs he got.
So
One
what I
from
was
Australia,
trying
one
to
from
say
Philippines,
is,
and one from Bangalore.
So
what I was
I
trying to
think
say
now,
is,
Arup, in the last, from August onwards, now your figure has crossed 60, 70 lakhs?
Yes, 83 lakhs.
83
Wow.
lakhs. Amazing.
It's
Tulsi,
because of the man in blue.
Tulsi, just I want to tell you, his last 3 years balance sheet was just 9 rupees, 9 lakhs.
Appa.
Just 9 lakhs. His
total-
last 3 years
total
balance sheet. Now
Total
83
balance sheet.
lakhs in 6 months' time.
Appa.
It's because of the man in blue. I did nothing. I'm just no. Honestly, I'm a Gorkha. Listening to the command show, he is actually Field Manekshaw. Field Manekshaw was known to give commands, right?
Amazing. I'm so proud of you. So proud of you.
No,
I think you're going to hit
I'm
one.
just following orders.
Do you remember, Arup? I told you in the month of September, I think, by March you will be touching 1 crore. I told you or not?
We did that, and then I told him, he was, talking that, this thing, mentorship fees. I said, whatever it is, I'll sell myself. No, because that time I didn't have the money.
Correct.
See,
Correct.
when I met Sridhar, I was hand to mouth where the NGO was concerned. I retired after 46 years in corporate life as a vice president Airtel Africa. So I had made my money, and I was breaking FDs.
Oh.
And in a way, I was very fortunate because last 7 months my wife had also expired.
Oh.
So there was no one to question me. Had she been alive, she would have killed me. She would have probably taken a knife and killed me because I was breaking FD after FD after FD.
Yes.
And I saw a handsome man. I was fiddling around Facebook. I have a sleep disorder, so I sleep at about 1, 2 o'clock in the night. I saw a very handsome man saying that I can raise funds 5 figures. And I said, okay, let's listen to what he says. And 3, 4 words. You see, I'm a psychologist. I am into human behavior. That's my strength. I said, this man is talking sense. I said, chalo. And he wanted 99 rupees, I think. That was the first fees. And I just sent it. I just sent it. Then he wanted the second fees. I just sent it. And then he returned it back because I was the first early bird. So he returned back some money to me. Then it came to mentorship. I said, I'll sell myself to whatever the fee is, And today I'm the happiest man because I'm just listening to him. I have not missed one meeting.
Great.
And I try and reach out because every day it's a learning for me. Every day.
Sometimes, sometimes when he's driving also, he will still be on.
Oh.
He will never miss the meeting. He'll be driving.
Tulsi, in the village, all my trust, you saw a girl sitting next to me, that's Jhumki. Jhumki, her father, her 2 children, they are staying in the same house as me. Because for us, that is family. They are my